So let's take a look at how we can use Statcrunch to help us with this question about a uniform distribution. So this question says, the waiting times between a subway departure schedule and the arrival of a passenger are uniformly distributed between 0 and 9 minutes. Find the probability that a randomly selected passenger has a waiting time less than 0.75 minutes. So we can use Statcrunch to help us calculate this probability. To open Statcrunch, we're going to go up to the Question Help tab and select Statcrunch. So here I have my Statcrunch open for me on the right and the question open on the left. Anytime we're talking about a uniform distribution, we can get to that calculator in Statcrunch by going to Stat, Calculators, and Uniform. And it'll open up this nice picture for us. Now, this picture looks like a rectangle. Why does it look like a rectangle? Because again, we're talking about the uniform distribution. Uniform means it's all the same. So it means no matter what value you have for your random variable, in our case, that's the waiting times between the subway departure and the arrival of the passenger, the probability, which is located here on the vertical axis, is always the same. It's uniform. It never changes. So what we need to do is come down here to this bottom section and fill out all the pieces with the information we were given from the question. So first we're asked for the lower limit and the upper limit. Well, remember over here we were told that these waiting times were uniformly distributed between 0 and 9 minutes. That means 0 is the smallest number of minutes that the person might wait, and 9 is the largest number of minutes. So we're going to go ahead and put 0, it's already there, and 9. Next, we need to fill out this last line right here. So this question said that we want the probability that a randomly selected passenger has a waiting time less than 0.75 minutes. So here we can select either less than or greater than. We're going to go ahead and select less than, and here we'll put in 0.75 minutes. And then all we have to do is click compute. And we'll be given this nice picture up here which shows very clearly the part of the graph that is less than 0.75 minutes. It's not labeled, but right here would be 0.75 on this horizontal axis. And you can see that this red rectangle is all the area that is less than that 0.75 minutes. And the probability value is right here. So there is a probability of 0.083 that a person will wait 0.75 minutes or less. So over here, we'll just add that number, 0.083. This says to round to 3 decimal places, so I stop there. And that's correct.